Hi. It's been a busy couple of days. I I've been trying to catch up at work all week since I had to do all that writing all these weeks prior. I've been neglecting my real research, but now that I'm done writing, I've been in a mad rush, and it's actually turned out well. I was a little bit worried there for a bit. I thought maybe I'd lost my skills because I was struggling, but I ended up creating this experiment, and it worked well. All the buffers I made were good buffers. Everything worked according to plan, so I'm really stoked. This means that I can start making protein in large batches and start looking at it with NMR like I've been wanting to do all this time. But you know, startup labs, they have this period of, it's like really hard to get the rocket off the ground. And in this case, we weren't. My boss was the only one working before me, and so he hadn't managed yet to make pure protein, but I have, and it feels good. All right, so yeah, there was that, and then yesterday I went to go see my friend Bao, my ex-roomie. Really miss her. It was good to catch up, see what's going on in her life. Ooh. So yeah, and then today, man, I'm just beat. Kind of want to take a bath and go to bed. Oh, I'm just so happy. There's almost no feeling as good or as satisfying as you creating something. Like you take an idea out of your mind and then you put it to task and it works out for you, and they're like real results. It just feels so good. So I'm so happy. But yeah, another news, someone jacked my debit card number and was charging up a storm on my account, and so they canceled my card, and they're trying to give me my money back, but until then I'm pretty broke. And I don't have a card, so I have like very little money to get me through the next, I don't know, week. It'll be alright. I'm not too worried. I live a pretty cheap life when I'm not buying shoes. Or, more shoes. Alright, well, that's good enough. Hopefully I'll have something cool to tell you for tomorrow. Till then, nighty night.